Hi, this is Simon Leung from simonleung.com, and today let's talk about how to make millions of dollars on YouTube. Yes, in USD. Let's do this. From my previous videos in this How to Make Money from YouTube series, you know that making money online is very much possible. All you really need to do is to get started. And when you do, and continue to treat this like a business, the potential is endless. Case in point, this is PewDiePie. I talked about him about 1 year ago in my first video about how to make money online as a YouTuber. Now I won't get into his whole life story, as you can learn as much as you want about him on his Wikipedia page. However, the point is, PewDiePie started his YouTube journey just like anyone else. And this is the video where he celebrated his first 100 subscribers. As you can see, it's not professionally done by any means. And fast forward to today, PewDiePie obviously has a lot higher quality videos, has over 100 million subscribers, and is one of the top earners on YouTube. Yes, YouTube has made PewDiePie a multimillionaire. Fame and fortune, not because he was special, not because he was especially skilled, not even because he was lucky. He simply got started. Took the steps all eventual successful YouTubers also would need to take. You just need to take it one step at a time. So get started if you haven't already, as this is also the same first step I teach my own students how to do at my YouTuber Millionaire Secrets mini course, which have since created many new successful YouTubers. For similar training right here, if you can't make it to meet me live, subscribe, hit the bell, like, share, and comment below your plan to become the next YouTuber millionaire, and I will personally respond with additional tips for you. Take action now. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you at the top.